DJI is back with a new launch, and this time it's the Air 4 that's grabbing all the attention. This sleek new drone is stirring up the skies with advanced sensors, longer flying time, and next-level AI tracking. But is it really the ultimate balance between power and portability? In this video, we're going all in on what the Air 4 brings to the table. From imaging power to how it handles in flight, we're testing it to see if it lives up to the hype. Whether you're an experienced flyer or just starting out, this might be the drone you've been waiting for. We're breaking it all down in a simple and honest way, so stay tuned. Make sure you tap that subscribe button so you don't miss more reviews and drone talk here. At Factic, now let's take a deep dive into the skies with the DJI Air 4. DJI has always walked the line between performance and portability, and the Air 4 keeps that tradition alive while pushing the limits even further. One of the biggest standouts is the expected battery upgrade. You're now looking at almost 46 minutes of airtime, which is a big deal if you've ever had to rush a shoot or land mid-session. That means more freedom to explore, more time to line up that perfect shot, and less worry about constantly swapping out batteries. The upgraded transmission system might be another game changer. Early reports suggest it could support up to 15 kilometers of range with ultra-low latency. This could give both recreational flyers and FPV fans a much smoother experience with cleaner live video feeds and quicker response times. The build of the Air 4 sticks to the winning formula: lightweight, foldable, and built to travel. But it's not just a copy-paste from the Air 3 refined lines, and sturdier materials are expected, which means better durability in case of bumps or gusty winds. A redesigned gimbal could also improve stabilization. When you're moving fast or fighting weather conditions, this means even casual users can get smoother shots without extra gear or effort for creators. The Air 4 might be exactly what's needed in that mid-range space. You get ease of use combined with advanced features, making it ideal for vlogging, short films, travel content, and more. And the best part, it doesn't require hours of setup or experience to fly, so whether you're a filmmaker on the go or someone who just wants to capture stunning landscapes, the Air 4 could fit perfectly. The camera system is rumored to feature a new 1-inch sensor. This would be a big step up in image clarity and low-light performance. You're likely to see more detail, richer color, and less noise in those sunrise or sunset shots. And with video capture possibly going up to 5.4K at 60 frames per second, there's more flexibility for editing and playback. Some leaks also hint at a dual camera setup, which would offer both wide-angle and telephoto options. This gives pilots more tools to tell their stories, whether it's a sweeping landscape or a tight zoom on a moving subject. DJI's ecosystem is also expected to get tighter with this model. The Air 4 could support the latest goggles, advanced RC controllers, and might bring Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 integration. This means faster file transfers and more reliable app connections. If you already use DJI gear, the Air 4 would likely slip right in without any extra work. And if you're new to the brand, it offers a user-friendly entry point that connects well across devices. Flight features are another area where DJI tends to shine. The Air 4 is expected to include upgraded Active Track 6.0 with even smarter subject tracking. This makes it easier to follow a person, bike, or car without losing them. In the frame, omnidirectional obstacle sensors could allow the drone to better avoid trees, buildings, and other hazards while flying automatically. There's even talk of a new Follow Me Plus mode, which may improve how the drone keeps its subject centered and smooth through complex terrain. All these features combined help both beginners and experienced users capture great shots with minimal stress. What's most exciting is how DJI seems to be pushing the airline up closer to professional quality, without adding bulk or complexity. You're getting power that used to only be available in higher-end models. That's what makes the Air 4 so interesting. It could be the perfect balance. You don't need to be a filmmaker to use it. But if you are one, it still gives you the tools to do amazing work. If all the rumored features hold true, the Air 4 may very well become the go-to drone for creators on the move. It brings solid upgrades in battery, flight range, camera versatility, and overall usability. DJI seems to have taken feedback from past models and shaped a product that's practical yet powerful, and that's exactly what drone fans want. Something that works straight out of the case but still lets you push boundaries when you're ready. That wraps up our full breakdown of the DJI Air 4 and what it could mean for drone users this year. There's a lot to get excited about with the longer battery, improved camera, and new smart flight tech. Whether you're out to film stunning scenery, follow fast-moving action, or just want a smoother flying experience. This drone checks a lot of boxes. We'll be watching closely to see how it performs in real-world conditions once it's out. But based on what we know so far, it looks like a serious contender in the drone world. Thanks for spending time with us here at Factic. We always aim to bring you clear, honest insights, so you can make smarter choices when it comes to tech. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to leave a comment and share your thoughts. What are you most curious about with the Air? 4, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss the latest updates, reviews, and drone deep dives. Until next time, keep your eyes on the sky and your creativity soaring.